Hey there, viewer. Are you ready to take your drawing skills to the next level? Well, in this lesson, I'll show you how to use tone to enhance your work with some quick, impactful demonstrations. And in just a couple of minutes, I've got a special treat for you, a 30-second slideshow featuring incredible artists like Jeffrey Smart, Sean Tan, and others. Their work will inspire you, and it's something you won't want to miss. It's short, it's powerful, and it's worth your time. Please watch. So this video today is part of my basic design course that I'm covering for you. I really want you to have a comprehensive understanding, and this is a typical tone chart. You can do this in color, in ink, watercolor, or acrylic. It's up to you. Just divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, and 7, 8. There you are. I do 9 actually, if I were you. But I'd like to now get on to how we can use tone in a picture. It's a very important topic, and I really recommend that you study this through me. So I'm going to put this into practice. Okay, so let's draw a line. Okay, so I'm going to draw a straight line for the horizon, and when we draw a straight line, this is a little tip for you. Put a dot here and a dot here. Look at this dot and start from here, and keep just looking at that dot, see, and we can make a more or less straight line. And I might take this out a little bit further too. And look at this dot. Here we go. Right, that's the horizon line. And those two dots can be the conveniently can be the vanishing points, and I'm going to just demonstrate how we can apply this idea of tone. So we'll just draw 2 lines looking here. Okay, so here I'll draw a little cube for you, and just do always remember in perspective that the verticals are always vertical after all, and it's only the lines that go to the vanishing points which diminish. Okay. Right, I've just cleaned up our little box here, and I'm going to draw a circle first of all. Here's one trick you can apply to draw a circle. Draw a cross like so. And I know it's a bit tricky sometimes drawing circles, so you've got a very steady hand, but just draw a couple of diagonals as well, and you've got a star-like shape here, and just using arcs, just go from here, just go around like so, turn your page each time and adjust as you need to. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect. It takes time to make it just right, and we don't need to for this exercise. I recommend you copy all these exercises, by the way. So here we've got our circle appearing, and just they're like a guideline for you. So I've gone ahead and done these two drawings, and I'm going to show you the difference between just plain shape, as in here. Of course, I've simplified this picture. It'll take forever if I want to do completely, but I want you to look at how he's got slightly lighter tone here against this darker area. Our light source is very clear where the light is coming from. You can see from that shadow there, and where it's darker around here, where it turns the corner, it's slightly darker. If you were to isolate that and that, you would see that this is actually, in fact, much darker. And he's got some really interesting, lovely tones in here. But without further ado, we can see that basically there's a good bit of tone over here. So I'll start with that. Well, viewer, this is the final product. I could have taken it further, but you can see that by using tone and thinking about it, just start with this basic understanding. Once you can see things in that sort of form, you'll start to make beautiful and much more realistic pictures and solid-looking images, which you can be really proud of. Nothing wrong with shape, of course. I've got several videos on similar topics. And actually, I recommend if you have a chance to see the playlist Drawing for Beginners. I think you'll find that playlist will be useful for you. Many more videos than this. But let's start on this this image of this girl here. So there you have it, everyone. I hope you got something out of this video, and I'd like to thank you for watching. If you go to my channel, you'll find on the playlist Drawing for Beginners, you'll hopefully find a lot of helpful videos there. But today's lesson is all about tone, and it's it's amazing how you can turn something which is just basically a flat design into something more solid and realistic. And the more you work with it, the more your drawing improves, and it's amazing. And our little lady here, a very gentle amount of tone. I didn't want to exaggerate it too much because she has a gentle face, and you don't want too much contrast in that case. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. I'd really like to get some feedback from you regarding what I'm doing. The channel's growing nicely, so I'd really like to keep designing the curriculum to suit your needs. Okay, so if you leave a comment saying what you'd like to see, I'd really appreciate that. And how about a like if you got something out of this? Thank you very much, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.